वेलकम टू बलूच स्कॉलरशिप कॉर्नर। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल का बटन दबाएं ताकि हर आने वाला स्कॉलरशिप का इंफॉर्मेशन आप लोगों को आसानी से हासिल हो सके। जो इसी तरह आप लोगों के लिए मैं हर आने वाला नया स्कॉलरशिप के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन बनाता रहूँगा, आप लोगों को उसका नोटिफिकेशन आसानी से हासिल हो सके।
So guys, welcome again to the another episode of Scholarship. National Tazing Our University Scholarship in Taiwan 2021 fully funded. It's a fully funded scholarship which can be granted in Taiwan country. National Tazing Our University is accepting the application for the bachelor degree, master degree and doctoral degree program in a different academic field in major National Tazing Our University. University scholarship is open for all international and around the world to study in Taiwan for fall 2021. Taiwan University are offering more than 200 scholarships this year. So you must try your luck. Don't miss this chance. Scholarship is the world-class famous scholarship. Taiwan scholarship is easiest scholarship to get. It's very easiest scholarship to get. You must try for this scholarship because the requirement of this scholarship are so easy. Which field are offering, I will provide each and everything in this video, and I will also provide the link of this scholarship and under the video description you can get the link and apply for that. There are multi-field scholarship offered by NTHU University. Currently National Tazing Our University offering international scholarship 2021 for the fall admission 2021. That's fully funded scholarship for international students. So the university is National Tazing Our University, countries Taiwan, study level BS, MS and PhD. The last deadline is February 15, 2021 for undergraduate admission, and the deadline for graduate admission is March 15, 2021. Available field in major offer and NTHU Taiwan undergraduate program. All these fields are available for the undergraduate program. College of Science, College of Engineering, College of Life Science, College of Nuclear Science, College of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, College of Art, College of Humanities and Social Sciences, College of Technology Management. These all fields are available for undergraduate program. Master program and doctoral program, College of Science, College of Engineering, College of Life Science, College of Nuclear Science, Education and Graduate Institute in Mathematics and Science Education, College of Art, International PhD program, Dual Master program for Global Operation Management. All these fields are available for master and doctoral program. Which field you are eligible, you should apply for that field. Which scholarship you are trying to pursue, master or BSc undergraduate, you should apply for that scholarship. Eligibility criteria. What are the eligibility criteria for Taiwan University scholarship? Applicant must be an international student from any country other than Taiwan. It means that any country student are eligible to apply for this scholarship, but Taiwan not providing for their people. It's providing for international student. You must try it. Applicant must be healthy, both physical and mentally. Your health condition must be fit. Applicant may not be recipient of any other scholarship at the same time. You should not get any other scholarship if you are applying for this scholarship. Applicant should fill out the application form correctly, honestly, completely, and submit the application material and required by the university. You should submit your all educational documents which this scholarship is requiring. Applicant with high school degree are eligible to apply for bachelor degree program. If you are done your high school degree, you are eligible for bachelor degree program. Applicant with an undergraduate bachelor degree are eligible for apply for master degree program. If you have done undergraduate bachelor degree, you are eligible to apply for master degree program for this scholarship. Applicant with a master degree are eligible to apply for PhD and doctoral program. If you have done your master program, you are eligible to apply for PhD and doctoral program for this scholarship. Scholarship details. All this is the scholarship details that NTHU International Student Scholarship, Doctoral Student NTZ 20,000 to 40,000 per month. That means the Taiwanese currency you are getting that 20,000 or 40,000 per month for doctoral degree. For GPA and annual renewal requirement, please see here it's saying that for master student 5,000 per month, bachelor student 5,000 per month, or 60,000 per year. Also here master degree 60,000 per year. Tuition and credit fee waived. It's fully funded scholarship. The tuition fee and all fee will be paid from that university if you get a scholarship for this Taiwan university. Requirement documents for application. Online application form. It's an online application form. You should submit your whole documents through online. The highest degree diploma verified with the official stamp. You should verify your highest degree with the official stamp from your current institute or your previous institute. The highest degree transcript, 2 recommendation letter, and the recommendation letter I always told my previous information about a scholarship that you should some university want 3 recommendation and some 2 recommendation letter. You can get recommendation letter from your previous institute by a professor or assistant professor. For international scholarship applying, the passport is must. You should submit your copy passport also. Study plan. The study plan can be written in English or Chinese. You should write a study plan. You can write it in English language or Chinese language, and that why you want to study there and what is your purpose after you return to your country. So the 7th is English proficiency certificate. If your course is not in English, the previous degree is all thought courses, applicant may ask the university department advisor to issue an official statement that the medium instruction of the institute is English. If your course are English, it's well and good. If it's not in English, then you are not eligible to apply for this scholarship. So you must submit IELTS test. If your all field are in English, you can take English proficiency from your previous institution or administration that your all courses were in English. So it's easy to apply for this scholarship. You have the chance to get this scholarship. The deadline I told you before, the deadline for undergraduate admission is February 15, 2021 and March 15, 2021 graduate admission. How to apply? Step 1, must have above mentioned documents. All mentioned documents I told that you must have. Step 2, no acceptance letter, IELTS and GRE and TOEFL is required. Acceptance letter is not mandatory, and IELTS is also not mandatory if you have English proficiency certificate. Step 3, must fill the submit online application, upload all documents, new student must. So step 4, wait for result. How to apply? Here the official link, click here on the blue link official. I will provide this link also in the video description. Let's check it out, the official link of Taiwan University. This is the admission application, eligibility, application information, application deadline, scholarship, contact us, more information. Apply now. You can contact for this scholarship also. Apply now. You can click here, apply now. Here you see apply now, click here, apply now. Now what you need, that you must, if you are a new user, must create and login account here and login your portal. So in portal you will require all documents to submit for this scholarship. Here register now. If you are new, here register now. If you have already registered a portal, then you click here to login. So you apply your all documents and apply for this scholarship which you are willing to apply. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon button to get the latest update of any kind of a scholarship internship program.